In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your search engine on a Brave browser from Google to Brave search engine. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Now to do so, it is quite easy. Just go to menu icon over here and then click on it. And from the list, look for settings. And here is settings. If you click on it, we have quite a number of options on this left menu. Under this, look for the option called search engine. And if you click on it, now here you can see your current search engine. To change this, go over to this change and then click on it. And now you can see the current search engine is Google. However, we want to change it to Brave. To do so, just click on Brave and then click on set as default. Now, the search engine has been changed from Brave and we are now using Brave. So if you go ahead and open a new browser, you can see the Google mark has disappeared. So all the searches that we'll be performing from now on, you'll be searching using Brave search engine, and as you can see, it is here. So that's how you make a switch from Google search engine to Brave search engine. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.